Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I'm from Jobs in Sydney, Australia, from Facebook page and YouTube page and sydneyclassified.org. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Sydney and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I'm showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, Program Services Officer jobs in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Program Services Officer required in Sydney. The opportunities. The role undertakes diverse program management functionally and related support activities, supports senior leaders to drive discipline and consistency in management and execution of priority programs of work. This role would suit a proficient project officer who has experience in documentation, report generation, supporting various stakeholders and working in tight deadlines. This is an opportunity to be a part of an innovative team that deliver for our regional customer and communities. The Program Services Officer will contribute towards the following day-to-day responsibilities: coordinating program setup, acceptance and establishment into program management into initiate and plan successful delivery and achievement of outcome, managing master scheduling, undertaking risk management activities as well as quality assurance activities, overseeing program portfolio variation in accordance with prevalent guidelines, quality, deadline and budget, facilitating and providing program management training and coaching, developing and managing process framework, business and operational tools, template system, register and repositories, data resources, and ad hoc reporting, tracking and performance, managing, flagging and coordinating response to internal and external correspondence in an organized and timely manner. About you: demonstrated experience in program and project management methodologies and best practices. You are a successful project officer is a confident supporting various teams. Proven experience in fast-paced and on program management and support services environment is essential. Ideally, you will have previous government, council and private sector experience in a similar position. You are organized, proactive and accountable, thriving in a complex and high volume program environment. You have a natural talent of building a strong working relationship and ability to influence by cultivating effective partnership with the key stakeholders. So for more details, please click the Program Service Officer to view copy of role description, salary and benefits. Project Services Officer, TFNSW grade $106,086 per annum plus superannuation and level loading. How to apply? To apply for this position, please submit a resume and answer all questions within the online application process. Application close 11:59 p.m. to 15 October, Friday 2021. Please contact the talent specialist below if you have require any adjustment to made how to interact with us throughout the recruitment process or would like to discuss flexible working position. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So Program of Service Officer required. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated profile to this email address. And if you have any question about this job, so you can visit this link. So guys, you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary, approx salary mentioned in the description and other benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more job related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page. So guys, I hope you understand this step and process. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.